So, hi guys, it's me again. So, it's been a long time that I am doing my hair color. Yes, I think last month or 4 months. It was last month. So now I'm gonna color again because look guys, this is my hair. This is my hair, white hair. The white hair is starting show up. Just I think 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch like that. So because it show up, I need to color again. Yeah. So this is my hair that need to be redo color. So yeah, so the hair color that I'm gonna use, or the hair color that I'm gonna color, is this one. This is Loreal Paris, the excellent cream new look. It's for a dark ash brown. It's a excellent triple protection color. Look, that's the one. I think it's nicer. It's a little bit pricey, so yeah, that's what's the description. I don't know if you see it. You know, open it, what's inside. So this is the one, the developer cream number one, and I don't know, this one is for, I don't know what's that, I'm gonna figure out later. And I think this the direction with the plastic. They have gloves to use, 2 gloves, and there's this direction how to do it. Yeah, and this is the permanent color cream. Yeah, this is the conditioning treatment. Yeah, this is the one. Is the pre-color treatment serum. Yeah. You know. So this is it. Oh. Yeah, this one. So start it. First is, before quick preparation, is you need to apply the pre-color treatment serum in your dry hair before you coloring. So it says use the pre-color, which is this one, the pre-color treatment on dry on unwashed hair. So you don't wash your hair, just dry like this. And then massage your hair, massage the product in the dry ends. You know, massage before you color your hair to protect your hair from damage. And yeah, so this is starting color. You're gonna apply this on your hair. No wash. This one. So you're gonna mix this both, na number 1 and number 2. Yeah, you're gonna mix this one. You're gonna squeeze it to open. It's easy. Yeah, that one. This one, both the number 1 and number 2. So, yeah, like that. And then shake. This is the pre color. No note, if you never try the hair color, do not use this one, the pre-color. Only if you have already tried a hair color. But since I color my hair, so I use this one. See my truck, but it's not easy. So I have gloves. So let's get started. Shake again. So you can remove the cap of the one that it's ready to put it. Medyo hindi masyadong have a lot of white on this area. Only here at the top, so we're gonna leave this one for 30 minutes and then wash. So see you in the 30 minutes or see you after wash. So we're gonna cover this one. This is the kulay-kulay. So yeah, it's 30 minutes. I'm done washing my hair, so I'm gonna put the conditioner, this one, the number 3, the conditioning treatment, and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna put maybe half of this one, or I don't know, just enough for your hair. But I don't want to use all of that because I think it's a lot. It's too much, you know. Maybe I'm gonna use this one for maybe 3 times. 3 times. This is my second time DIY coloring my hair because mostly it's in the salon. after shower na. Final shower. Yeah. So meron pa ito. Ito na lang. So, see you later. Oh, this is it. I iron this so that it's gonna be clear. So this is the dark ash brown color of my hair. Just like natural black hair, or this is dark ash brown. And then my hair is, I feel it shine, because of the conditioner of that I've used. So nice. It's feel like magaan ang feeling. So this is the result of my hair color, DIY hair color. So yeah, this is guys. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. And yeah, bye bye.